Welcome to this comprehensive guide to Stox, the platform designed to help you navigate the world of cryptocurrency with ease. Whether you're new to the crypto scene or looking for a way to optimize your earnings, Stox has something for everyone. We'll show you how this site works, from setting up an account to exploring the different ways you can earn and trade on the platform. First, start by registering on Stox. Simply visit the website, create your account, and make sure to check out the bonus offer available for new users. Once you're in, you'll notice an intuitive interface designed to help you easily manage your portfolio. You can start trading popular cryptocurrencies, but what makes Stox stand out is the passive income options available. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Stox platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Stox and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Next, let's dive into the trading features. Stox offers a smooth, user-friendly interface that allows you to make trades with a few simple clicks. You can select from various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, and explore their respective price movements in real time. The platform offers both basic and advanced tools to help you make informed decisions about your trades. Beyond trading, Stox offers unique features such as staking, which enables you to earn additional rewards by holding certain coins. The process is straightforward. Simply choose the crypto you want to stake, lock it in, and start earning. Staking rewards are credited regularly, making it an ideal option for passive income enthusiasts. Don't forget to check out their referral program, where you could earn extra rewards by inviting others to join Stox. Sharing the platform with friends can be a great way to increase your crypto earnings. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a like if you found this video helpful. It helps us create more informative content for you.